So I've got some chicken there, yogurt, spices, garlic, ginger. Wow, wow, wee, wah. We're going to do these on the gas stovetop, so no need for an oven or anything like that, or a tandoor. They're really, really delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's get on with this chicken tikka. So what I have here is 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, cut into nice, decent kind of chunky pieces. Here I've got 200 grams of plain yogurt or curd, 2 teaspoons here of chili, cumin and coriander, and then salt and pepper to taste, fresh mint, lemon juice, oil, garlic ginger paste, cilantro or coriander, fresh chilies, and what I've got there is a food colouring. That's a powder form, a reddish orange, or you could use liquid, or if you want you could omit it if you don't fancy the colour, but it will give it that really vibrant colour, of course, brightness. What we're going to do is we're going to get this in a bowl and give it a nice little mix. So the chicken pieces are in. We're going to go in with that lemon juice and the oil. There's like 2 or 3 tablespoons there. We're going to put in the fresh mint. We're going to put in the fresh cilantro or coriander. We're going to add the fresh chili. We're going to add now the powder. So we've got salt, pepper, chili powder, coriander and cumin. In that all goes. We're then going to add our garlic ginger paste, like a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste for this amount. We're going to add 200 grams of plain yogurt or curd, and then we're going to go in with the colour. Now, don't touch this stuff, it's lethal. You'll get it all over your hands, so be very, very careful with it. Simply, we're going to give this a little mix. I'll be back in a moment. So there we go. As you can see, really sort of vibrant colour. That's from that food colouring. What we're going to do now is we're going to shrink wrap that, plastic wrap it, or cling film, whatever you call that. Get that into your fridge for 1 hour minimum overnight. Absolutely divine. So I'm going to be putting my chicken onto some skewers, some wooden or bamboo skewers. If you're going to do that, soak them in water, 30 minutes or so. If you don't soak them in water, they can catch fire, basically. So just soaking them in a little bit of water really helps it out. Okay, so there you go. I've put those onto the skewers like that. 1, 2, 3, like 4 pieces each. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to go onto a flat surface. You can use a grill or a skillet or something. I'm actually going to use an actual flat plate. Let's do that. Okay, so I'm on the gas cooker. Heat is on, as you can hear, getting that hot. Very simply, we're going to pop these on, and we're going to be turning them quite a lot over the next 8 to 9 minutes. Just keep flipping them around like that. Flip, flip, flip. That's it. See you then. And by the way, I've got a little excess of the marination here. You could do some more chicken with it if you want, but I'm actually just going to discard that. Okay, so these are done. We're going to get them on a plate, and then I'm going to remove this metal plate. We're going to go just to the gas flame. Okay, so just get your gas on. I presume you have gas, that is. And then grab one of your skewers and just get it over there. You're going to give it a little bit of a smokiness, get a little blackening on it. Be careful you don't catch your bamboo or wooden sticks on fire. And that's it, we can serve these. So yeah, just run them around there. Give it that kind of tandoor flavour. And there you go. Doesn't that look delightful? Tastes amazing, I'm telling you. Give it a go. It really, really is delicious. We hope you enjoy that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A thumbs up is great for us. It helps us out a great deal. And leave us a comment. Let us know that you're fine. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.